All right, Peppa, let's get these suitcases packed.
Yes, we're ready for our big adventure.
Oh, goody, I can't wait. All right, George, let's go.
Daddy, look.
Ho, 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 that's great.
Hello there, Peppa. Hello, darling.
Hello, Grandpa.
Hello, Granny. Look at the beautiful ocean, Daddy Pig.
Yes, Mummy Pig, it's lovely.
And the sun is shining.
Come on, just a little more. P.O.P.
Whoa, help, I'm being carried away.
Wow, look at that wind.
Isn't this just a delightful day, Daddy Pig?
Yes, Mummy Pig, absolutely perfect.
Woohoo! We jumped in the puddle.
Watch out for the splash.
Oh no! Oh, look at it go! My ice cream!
Daddy Pig, would you like some of my ice cream?
Oh, Mummy Pig, thank you.
The ocean goes on forever.
Indeed it does, darling.
Whee! We're coming, Mummy.
Oops, there you are, my little piggies. Hooray! Look what I found, Peppa and George.
Oh,
Wow,
a pink shell.
Shell.
Wahoo! We fell in the mud.
Would you like to hold the kite, Peppa? Yes, please, Daddy Pig. Whee!
Come on, let's make it fly. I'm running fast.
All right, Peppa, here we go.
Wow, it's flying so high, Daddy Pig.
Look, Daddy Pig! My brave little piggy.
Here you go, Peppa. Wow, thank you, Daddy. Hee hee. Keep pulling, Peppa.
I am pulling, Daddy. That's it, George.
Daddy, what was that?
I don't know, Peppa. It happened so fast. I want my kite. My kite is stuck. I can't reach it. Ooh, goodness, it's stuck. Oh, Daddy, the kite is on your head.
Silly Daddy.
Snort, snort, snort. Giggle, giggle, snort, snort.
Hooray!
Ho!
It is raining today. Peppa and George cannot play outside. It's so boring.
Why Why don't we paint a picture?
Painting? I am an expert at painting.
Daddy Pig has a very big canvas. I will paint a beautiful portrait of Mummy Pig.
Peppa is painting a picture too. Look! It is Mummy! Mummy!
George likes painting with his hands.
Dinosaur!
Oh, real painting requires big, bold strokes.
Oh dear! Daddy Pig has painted his nose.
Silly Daddy! You are not the canvas.
Finished. A masterpiece.
Ooh, wow.
Incredible, isn't it?
Yes, Daddy Pig.
Is that supposed to be me?
The rain has stopped. The sun is shining. Yay!
Let's go outside. Whee! Hooray!
And the rain has left a huge muddy puddle.
Painting is very fun, but jumping in muddy puddles is the best fun of all.
Here is the ball, George.
Ball!
Can I play too, Mummy?
Look, Peppa, a ball.
Oh, George, thank you.
Yay, a ball. Oink. Found it. Oh, goody.
Ball, ball. Do you want to play with the ball?
Yes, please.
Ball, ball. Ready? Catch. Hooray! I got it! Good job, George. Boing.
Oh.
Let's go, George!
Yes, Peppa.
Faster!
Oh, dear.
Oh, bother!
Look out!
Why, my newspaper.
No.
What's that?
Now look what you've done, Daddy Pig. All right, Peppa, here you go.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ball, ball, ball. Oh no! Tee-hee! Oink, oink.
We're jumping in the muddy puddle. Muddy puddle jump.
Muddy puddle.
Come on, everyone. Just a little further up the hill. We're almost there. Up, up, up.
All right, Peppa. I'm putting the picnic basket down here.
Oh, goody. Let's open it, Daddy Pig.
What's in here? Oh, look, a red apple.
Dinosaur. Run, 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 run. Dino. Wee. Dinosaur.
I do like looking at the clouds.
Yes, they go so fast.
Oh, my hat! It's flying away! No, no, stop! Oh well, Bye-bye, hat.
Time for a roll. Splendid. Now I'm here.
Oink. Ha ha. Oink.
Oink, oink, oink.
Time to go. Okay, Peppa, wait for me. Look, there's my hat. It's on the bush. Oh, I see it.
Look, Peppa, I found the perfect hat for the bush.
Wow, Daddy Pig, it's amazing.
Isn't it just?
Look at it move.
Daddy, what's that on your face?
Is there something on my glasses?
Yes, a big green leaf.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you, Peppa. Achoo! Look at it go!
So high.
Look over there.
What is it, Daddy? Oh, just the clouds.
Silly Daddy.
This sandwich is tasty. Mine too. Yum, yum.
Wahoo! Let's play hide and seek. One, two, three.
George must find a good place to hide.
George is hiding behind the small bush. Ready or not, here I come. Found you, George. Kimi Minky Wada.
Silly George. That bush is too small.
Do not worry. I am an expert at hiding.
One, two, three. Daddy Pig must find a very good hiding place.
She will never find me here.
Here I come.
Daddy Pig's tummy is a bit too big for the bush.
Found you, Daddy.
Oh. How did you find me so quickly?
You are too big to hide behind a little bush, Daddy Pig.
My tummy is not big. It is just full of cake.
Peppa and her family are at the beach today.
I will build the biggest sandcastle in the world.
Peppa and George are fetching the sand.
It is very hot. We must stay in the shade. Wet squelching sand SFX, happy humming. Peppa knows you need wet sand to build a good castle.
Lots and lots of sand. This will be perfect.
Numben my mudrawa. Oh dear. Dry sand does not stick together.
That is not right at all.
You need wet sand, Daddy.
Now, Daddy Pig turns the bucket upside down.
Oh, hooray!
Ta-da! A perfect castle.
And George adds the finishing touch.
Ooh, what is that?
Mind your toes, Daddy Pig.
Whoa! Help!
The sea has left a very big, wet, sandy puddle.
A muddy beach puddle. Yay!
Narrator, building sandcastles is fun, but jumping in sandy, muddy puddles is the best fun of all.
What shall we paint?
Here are some lovely colors for you to use.
Hoo-hoo!
Hooray! I am going to paint a beautiful red flower. Peppa paints a very nice flower. George is painting a green dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Oh, painting! I am an expert at painting.
Yes, let's see. Just the thing. Aha!
Your picture needs a beautiful blue sky.
He uses a lot of blue paint.
Here we go. Swish, swish, swish. Daddy Pig is a very fast painter. Silly Daddy Pig.
Daddy, you painted your face!
Look at your masterpiece, Daddy Pig.
Blue is definitely my color. Everyone loves painting.
Look, George.
Clouds are passing by.
Yes, Peppa, that's exciting.
Hello, everyone. Hi. How are you today? Good, thanks. We're great.
Look at us, we're walking. We are. Yay! Look, Susie, a dinosaur.
Oh my, a dinosaur.
Watch out, it's coming.
Oh wow, look at it go.
He's friendly.
He's cute.
I saw a huge red balloon fly right over the house.
Oh wow. That sounds amazing.
What do we do with this block?
Maybe we stack them up like this.
Oh, I see. Let's build a tower.
I've got it.
You're doing great. There, perfect.
Wow, that's amazing.
Ta-da! Wow, Susie, that's a great tower.
Almost there.
Watch out. Careful. Whew, hooray.
Good job, Peppa.
Look, Peppa. A purple block.
Ooh, what can you make with that, George?
everywhere. It's stopping. Phew. Yeah, yeah. Yes, and yeah.
Hello, girls. Look what I have here.
Ooh, cookies.
Can we have one?
Time for a treat, children. Thanks, Mummy Pig. Cookie. Tee-hee-hee. Ha. Ha. Ha.